Jesus, excuse me. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. See, if I keep on burping, I'll lose viewers.
Burp at me, I
Come on. Lena. What? Lena? Oh, no.
Yeah, I don't care. I put myself in their age range. Because it's like, I'm too young for one side, too old for one, so they're my
Old too. I was gonna give her something. Okay. Sorry. Oh.
Excuse me.
We're all 20.
Ronald Tippy.
Michael, did you forget about me?
Michael forgot about
Michael,
me.
did you forget about me?
I'm burping for...
So tight.
No, we can't burp.
We cannot burp on command.
Ronaldo.
I season my food. I'm not gonna cook my house.